don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's been a week already, time is flying fast. I never felt so good as far as I remember. I miss that face, I'm ready, I want more of that. I finally understood, I'm ready to surrender. Oh baby, tell me where and when. Tell me where and when. Make love all day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday,
What can I say? There is something for everybody. For your mom, for your sisters, for your friends, for those ones that say we don't like color, we don't wear this, we don't da-da-da, or whatever. This is a beautiful collection. It was so much fun swatching this. And there were 17 of these lippies. You can imagine my lips would be sore. Oh my God. Every YouTuber, every influencer will tell you the worst thing to do is to swatch lips. It's not what you want to do. Juvias, time and time again, have gotten that formula down to a T. And it was so pleasant. There is not a shade that I did not love in this box. And I came preconceived notions that I only loved my reds, that I just loved that bright red and I just loved the dark lip. They came with glosses. They came with reflex glosses, that much more pigmented gloss. They came with liquid lipsticks. They came up with velvet lipsticks as well as lip pencils. Colors that I wouldn't necessarily have even let it made the cut in this package. Under my name, I wouldn't have. They took the risk and they were absolutely right. They were absolutely right. What a collection. Congratulations yet again to JUVIAS. Use my discount code because this right here, I'm buying full price. You give me a little something on top of it to buy an extra lip, well, that's a gift. Hello Christmas. Fumi, thank you. You're so welcome. Anything for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I live for this. I live for the nudes. I loved the nudes, but my God, I wasn't ready for the reds and for the berries. Now that I think about it, because it does say series, I'm thinking they could come out with purples. They could come out with pinks. They could, because that's what they do. They're that fabulous. So get ready. I don't know, but I'm just saying, because I didn't see the reds coming. I did not. I thought when they came out with the nudes, it was a nude series of different types of nudes. But in the nudes here, they came out with chocolates, right? Because you had the chalks, you had the mauves, you have the peaches, you have the taupes, and I thought that was it. But then they came out with the reds and berries. So I'm thinking, wait. I'm thinking that since they have the mini palettes, we have chocolates, yes. Then, hello, there you go, the berries, hello. Then we have what you call what? You have the sweet pinks, and then you have the violets. They just might come out with more lips, and I am here for it. As you can see, they have been releasing back to back. They are becoming stronger. They are so empowering. They're so inspiring. There's an article from one of my favorite magazines when I was modeling, Women's Wear Daily. It was our fashion Bible. We read everything up in there. There's an article there of CHICHI. I'm going to put the link down there for you guys. Read it because it really speaks volumes for who she is. As an influencer, I get a lot of makeup all the time. And I will tell you, when it comes to Black-owned brands and brands that are catering to women of color, Juvia's place is head and shoulders above the rest. My humble opinion, but true tea. All right, darlings, I got to go. I wish I could stay longer, but I got mommy duties. I've got Christmas lists. I've got shopping lists. I've got to go and get more money from Ula. More money. Ula, my darling.
Yes, honey bunny.
Do you have any questions for me in relation to this beautiful collection by Juvia's Place called the Red and the Berry Lip Collection?
Is it F.D.V approved?
It is absolutely F.D.V approved. I know a lot of you are saying, for me, you're not uploading as much as you used to. I wasn't a mother. Now I am a mother to a wonderful, beautiful boy. So I have 2 boys and I breastfeed both of them. I'm busy, but I'm doing my best. So I will see you very soon, my love. Stay beautiful and get you this. Ciao.
You light up the night like a shooting star over the moon. I think I'm in love with your angel eyes, glowing from afar. Girl, I got seduced right from the start.